So here we have an overview of the pages that we created. What we are going to do in the next upcoming videos, we are going to fill a couple of pages with content like privacy policy, our story page, our contact page, terms and conditions. We also will design the home page later on, which will be the landing page. In order to do this, we will need a page builder. A page builder is a piece of software that helps you design beautiful pages with just, to be honest, a couple of clicks. It's drag and drop building a website with a page builder, and we are going to use Elementor for that, and we will install Elementor right now. So we go to plugins and then we click on add new. In the search box we will type in Elementor like this, and the first result here, Elementor website builder, this is the right plugin. So you want to install this one, you click on install now. And after it's installed, you click on activate. And you are getting the getting started screen. I would suggest watching the video. Getting started with Elementor gives you a little step-by-step guide on how to get started. You can also watch the full guide if you want some more hands-on training, or you could go on and create your first page, which we will do in the next videos. It would help us enormously if you would click the Elementor link in the description of the video. If you want to if you want to buy Elementor, you can click the link in the video description, and it would help us to provide more free courses for you in the future. So if you would like to buy Elementor after our course we have shown you, and after we've shown you how easy it is to build a beautiful website with Elementor, please click the link in the description, and so we are able to provide more free courses to you in the future. For now, I will leave it at this because we just installed Elementor. And in the next videos, I will guide you on how to use Elementor to build pages and fill them with content.